Thank you for joining me today with Minute with Madhu. Today, in this minute, we're going to talk about gratitude. Now, I want you to do from my last video, plan, do, review. Today, I plan to say thank you to 10 people. Identify who are the 10 people are you going to say thank you in your team, in your personal life, with your families. And with do, as a second step, I'm going to review if I can do those 10 and what are the opportunities I will have to thank someone, those 10 people in my life, to make my day and to make their day. And review. And today I'm going to review, end of the day, that did I had an opportunity to say thank you for the 10 people today. So with the note of Dr. UV today, so do your plan, you do, and you review. End of the day, I would like to see how many people you were able to influence today and how many people were you able to say thank you for their job well done, and look at opportunities, how many you can do it today. Do leave your comments and thoughts and stay tuned for one more video of A Minute with Madhu. Thank you and stay blessed.